Hello, my beautiful family. Welcome and welcome back to our channel. Today I share with you this delicious one pan recipe that you would love to try just immediately. Yes, it is super delicious and is perfect for dinner. Okay, so without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Okay guys, for you to make this delicious meal, you need your protein, yes. And in this recipe, we're making use of chicken, okay? Chicken drums. Mind you guys, you can use any protein of your choice. All right, so you go ahead and wash it thoroughly with salt, lemon, or with vinegar. Just make sure, yes, make sure that your protein is well washed and clean, okay? Once you're done, pat it dry. And now it's time to season. Go in with some salt, a teaspoon of ginger, a teaspoon of garlic. Now go in with your seasoning, okay? Next is your paprika. Here we are going in with some pepper flakes. Now drizzle in some little amount of olive oil, vegetable oil, or sesame oil. We are making use of sesame oil. Now combine it, okay? Mix to well combine. Shout out to my newest subscribers. Guys, welcome on board. And to my returning subscribers, the kings and the queens of this family, yes, you all are welcome back. Thank you for your massive love. Thank you for your support. Your girl is very grateful. Thank you. And to you that is meeting my video for the first time, you're welcome to Oma Sport. This channel is all about food, cooking, baking, everything edible basically. So if you want to up your game when it comes to cooking, you want to learn how to make varieties of meals, you want to know how to bake and as well get cooking ideas or meal ideas, this channel is for you. You are actually at the right place. So you go ahead and hit that subscription button to be part of this amazing family. Also, remember to turn on your notification bell to get notified each time I post new video. Thank you. All right, guys, at this point, we are done mixing. You can see how it is looking. Yes. So we're going to allow it to marinate for an hour, okay? Or you can do it overnight. All right, guys, moving on to the next step. Get your pan. Place your baking sheet or your foil paper on it, just like this. Now go in with your sliced potatoes. Arrange it, okay? Just like this. Next is your carrot, your diced carrot. Feel free to increase your veggies, okay? All right. Arrange it this way. Now go in with your bell peppers, your well chopped bell peppers. We are making use of the red and the green. Next is your onions, your diced onions. Like I said earlier, you can increase your veggies. You can use different kinds of veggies, okay? All right, guys, we are done layering them. Look at how they are looking. Now you go on and sprinkle in some salt. Now go in with some black peppers. Sprinkle in some herbs, some mixed herbs if you have. Mine is finished. So now we are going in with some oil. Splash some oil on them, just like this, guys. All right, guys, next is to place our marinated chicken on them, just like this. Looking good. With the juice from this well-marinated chicken, just imagine how this meal will taste. All right, guys, at this point, pop it into your oven and grill for 15 minutes, okay? And there you have it, guys. Our tasty, mouth-watering, delicious meal is set, guys. Oh my, look at how it's looking. It looks so delicious. And it is super easy to make. Tell me you're not salivating right now. Just tell me. Guys, are you going to try it out? Please do let me know how it turned out for you in the comment section. This is one pan meal. Yes, it is easy. So if you're looking for a dinner idea, this one is perfect, guys. Try it out. You and your family will love it. So you mix everything together. Combine the juice, the veggies, the potato, the chicken. Mix everything together, okay? Just like you're watching me do. All right, guys, it is time to plate our dish. Oh my, it looks so delicious, guys. So this is me dishing it out. And if you have watched to this extent and you've not given this video a like, please do, okay? Support your girl by liking this video. Subscribe if you haven't. Please, they are both free. Support your girl. So guys, we are still dishing our delicious meal. Oh my gosh. All right, guys, we are done. And look at how it is looking. Please go grab your spoon. Let's eat it together. You know, there is love in sharing. All right, guys, thank you for joining me in creating this one pan delicious meal. And if you found it interesting, please leave me a nice comment, like, and as well share to your friends, families, and loved ones for them to try it out also, okay? All right, guys, see you in my next video. Bye.